So guys, I will try out some brush markers first to get ends for them. First impression, well, as I said, the tip is very light, but the colors are very strong. You have to do actually a few layers to cover the area pretty well, but that's not an issue. I'm positively surprised. The fine liners are okay. They are actually like any other fine liner. Same with the colored pencils. There is not a huge difference compared to other colored pencils, but they feel a little different. But anyways, that's enough for me to get used to them. Let's do the sketching and inking for the drawing, and then we will use the markers to color it. I'm very excited to use them, so let's go. Yo guys, my old subscribers know who this guy is. This is my first OC named Aglot. As I said on my last video, I will do more drawings which I created by my imagination, and this is the next one. But today, we will not focus on the character itself, rather on the colors. As Aglot has a green skin color, we will try out every green color we have, so we know which ones are suitable for Aglot. Okay, I found the perfect green tones. Now I will color the entire skin of Aglot with these 4 tones. Okay, let me tell you something about the use of these pens. I really like the intensity of the colors. I would even say that these colors are more powerful than of the Copics. But I need to practice more to be more accurate with the coloring. If you look closely, you can see some inaccuracies. But as this is the first time for me using this kind of water-based pens, it's acceptable. But all in all, I'm very positively surprised. Let's continue with the coloring. So guys, Aglot is full colored and he looks totally badass. I will give him a huge aura now, and then we will take a look at the end result, and then I will give you my honest opinion on these water-based pens. We are done and it looks very nice. As you can see, the bigger areas of the aura are not covered very well, but I think that this is normal if you use water-based pens. If that's not normal, it's my mistake. But as I said, this is the first time I'm using these markers and therefore it looks pretty good, I think. Let's take one last look and after that I will summarize everything. Okay guys, what can I say about these water-based pens? So as I said while coloring, the colors are very strong and intense, which is very good if you want your drawings to be more lively. The design of the pens are very nice in my opinion, and the pen fits comfortable in your hand. The tip is a little too soft for my taste. It's very close to a paintbrush, which I'm not used to. But if you practice with these pens, you will get a hand for them. I would give these pens a 8 of 10. The paper is very strong and thick. I like to use thicker paper, so they fit perfectly for me. I actually didn't use the fine liners that much, and I didn't use the colored pencils at all, just because I had no use to them. That does not mean that these pens are bad. I just don't use this stuff very often. So, again, thanks to Arteza for this big art supply. If you like this kind of water-based pens and if you want to try them out, you can check out the first link in my info box. There you can find the website of Arteza, and with the code TOLGART1 you will get a 10% discount. As these pens are not that expensive, it's even better to have a discount. My code is valid until the 20th of April, so check out the first link in the info. So, I think I covered everything pretty well, so we can end the video right here. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by a thumb up, and also comment down below what you think of these pens, and of course what you think of my artwork today. If you want to see more watercolor drawings, let me know that in the comments. Last but not least, subscribe if you haven't already. We want to reach 500 and 1000 subscribers by the end of the year to bring this channel on the road to the biggest on YouTube. That's my end goal. Support me and you will get the best drawings which the world has ever seen. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.